Hello everyone, Jackson is out here doing his sliding lid box. We're doing a little experiment to see how he goes just all on his own, following the instructions. So what we want to do is make sure when we're building it that the groove for the lid lines up all the way around. Your long nails are for the sides, so we nail the 4 sides together just like this first to make a frame using the long nails. Then the short nails are for nailing on the base. We haven't got holes pre-drilled in the base, and that's because, again, it's part of the skill building and practicing holding things in the right spot, not having the nails go through the sides. You will need adult hands to help hold the first, potentially, side, and then depending on the experience of the kids, they can have a go at doing that. Once the 4 frame pieces are nailed together like this, then we can put the base on. We've got 12 base nails provided for you. You could use less if you like. The base is pretty thin, so it will hold well. And then the sliding lid will just slide in through the groove at the top, which we'll show you when we get to that point. Then we slide the lid into the slot, and we have a perfect place to store your treasures. So just a couple of pointers with this one. Again, you can use the sandpaper to practice smoothing off edges. The tricky first part is going to just be helping them hold the first side to the first bottom piece, but Jackson pretty much did this on his own. He needed a little bit of help starting some of the nails. So I held those for him here around the base. But other than that, it all went together nicely. You don't need to use all the nails provided if you want to. You don't need as many on the base as the 12, but there's a few extras there.